Welcome to All Things YouTube.
Hello, Internet. I'm Matt Haas. What are my goals for this YouTube channel? I'd like to share them with you so it might help you make your own goals. I would like to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this calendar year and make it into the YPP program. That's the YouTube Partner Program. Looking at my analytics, you can see that I've averaged 16 subscribers over the last 28 days. And seeing how many days are left in this year, I need about 2.3 subscribers daily. Now, what will typically happen is I'll fall short for the first little bit, and then I'll start hitting that goal, and then towards the end, it will be exponentially better. Once channels start rolling, it tends to grow faster and faster. So that is my goal. I would also like to double the number of students that are going through my course. I have a course called Be Awesome on YouTube. It's free for the 32 lessons that are there. I do have 5 lessons that are optional, but you can get everything you need out of the 32 lessons that are free. That's at my website. You can go get that. I will also be doing live streams weekly, Mondays, 7 p.m. Eastern. And I'll always have open Q&A and a topic to go with the live streams. If there's any platform updates to YouTube, any new features, I will explain and show them. Not only talk about it, I will demo it as well. And I'll always have strategies to grow an audience and make searchable videos people actually watch. Those are my goals on the YouTubes. Come along with me, folks.